If you're looking for a versatile measuring solution that combines modern technology with traditional reliability, this almighty ruler laser tape measure delivers dual functionality in one compact tool. This innovative device features both laser distance measurer capable of reaching up to 131 feet and a traditional tape measure for close range precision work. This tool displays measurements in both feet and metric units with plus minus 0.5 millimeter accuracy. It features a clear digital readout that works even in low light conditions. Its magnetic base provides hands-free operation on metal surfaces, while the automatic tape lock secures measurements without button pressing. The left-handed friendly design fits comfortably in toolboxes or pockets. Built with heavy-duty housing for job site durability, it can store up to 20 measurement groups and calculate areas and volume directly on the device, making it ideal for construction, interior design, and DIY projects.